Guys, Bitcoin is still trying to break out of this massive falling wedge here on the 4-hourly time frame, but so far, the bears every single time the bulls try to break out sold off the price, and now we are actually forming a brand new chart pattern on the 1-hourly time frame, which is going to break out within the next 24 hours, or at least within today or tomorrow. So I can already tell you this chart pattern will be one of the deciding factors I'm keeping an eye on to determine if the Bitcoin price is now looking to form more downside in the near future, or are we breaking to the upside, bouncing here off support and seeing an all-time high in the immediate short term. So stick around till the very end of this video if you don't want to miss that. I mean, we also have a few other things I want to show you in the charts today, on the bigger time frames, on the smaller time frames for sure. I will give you a massive update on my trades because I'm still in around $4 million of Bitcoin long positions, and I want to make sure to take profits if more downside is to be expected from the Bitcoin price. And for sure I also want to scale them up as soon as we have a confirmation of this continuation of the current bull run. So like I said, stick around till the very end of this video. Make sure to smash up a like on this video. Normally every single video of mine reaches 3,000 likes. Just yesterday's one sadly didn't got ranked from the YouTube algorithm. It only got 17,000 views. So guys, let's make some noise for the algorithm here below this video. Write a comment, smash up the like, let's reach 3,000 likes, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and share the video with the share function. This supports me the most and shows the YouTube algorithm that this content is important in this exact moment, because it actually is. The breakout is going to happen out of this 1-hourly new pattern on the 1-hourly time frame within the next few hours. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame first. Nothing really has changed here. We still have 2 days remaining to close this weekly candle a little bit more bullish, in the best case above the previous weekly candle close. This would then act actually as a neutralization of this weekly hammerhead candle here, because otherwise this here is a very bearish hammerhead candle on the weekly time frame. So we need to close above that to invalidate this bearish candle, and this actually would then turn into a bullish weekly candle formation. We can expect a big run up in the next week. But now for sure let's look at the daily time frame first, because our problem is not only on the 4-hourly time frame that we have this big falling wedge, and right, we have this big downward sloping resistance, yeah, here the resistance line of this falling wedge keeping us down. No, we also have on the daily time frame here this massive red resistance line over here that the bulls still need to break to the upside, because we tested it here a couple of times, got rejected. Here it acted as massive support for a couple of times. Yesterday we had a rejection, and today the bulls could still be able to close this daily candle above if we break out of this 1-hourly time frame pattern. I will show you in a second, bullish to the upside. So what is the first price level I'm keeping an eye on? Pretty much the $60,600 level, because this is the exact price level where, first of all, this resistance is. So if we close today's daily candle above it, this would be the first bullish sign. On the 4-hourly time frame, we have here at this exact price level massive horizontal support here at the $60,600, $60,700 level. You can see that Bitcoin bounced here perfectly with all of its 4-hourly candles. So a close at the end of the day below the $60,500 level pretty much would for sure be the first bearish indication that we still have to expect more downside for Bitcoin to come. In the worst case, we would actually need to expect a massive breakout to the downside with a quick wick that we get bought up again, and then we would continue the bull run, right? This is pretty much the worst case scenario I'm looking out for right now, because at the $45,000 level, at the $54,000 level. Sorry guys, the numbers in German are the other way around. You say them the other way around, and since I'm talking so fast, I'm often confusing the numbers. But if we don't break this level to the downside, in my opinion, the $60,500 level, everything should be still looking good, especially, and now I'm going to show you this 1-hourly chart pattern, especially with this ascending triangle that Bitcoin is forming right now on the 1-hourly time frame that will break out till tomorrow. Exactly, like it's 24 hours. It's pretty much 24 hours till this ascending triangle will break out in one or the other direction, and we still have a lot of resistance above us. But if the bulls now use that chance, they could actually establish a bullish breakout, and I'm personally, like I already said, $60,600, $60,500 level. If we break this to the downside, if we close a daily candle below that, we have to expect more downside in my opinion. If we close a daily candle now or the 1 hours and the 4 hourly candles above the $61,700 level within the next 24 hours, this would actually be the first sign that the bulls successfully broke out of this falling wedge, because first of all, we are leaving this downward sloping resistance behind us with a bullish breakout out of this ascending triangle. We leave the falling wedge resistance behind us on the 4 hourly time frame. We leave the daily resistance of, first of all, also, as you can see here from this falling wedge, the daily resistance at 61,700 we would leave behind us, we would close above. We would close above this upward sloping resistance here at exactly the $60,700 level for sure. And in this moment, for me, it would be time to scale up my long positions once again, because then the final resistance I'm pretty much looking at, and I already showed you guys this in yesterday's video, is the neckline of our massive potential W pattern that is forming here right now. So the $63,500 level is the last resistance, also from also from a Fibonacci retracement point of view here, the 0.5, and also from our new low, the 0618 is also exactly at the $63,600 to $700 level. So as soon as we break that to the upside, I think it's guaranteed that we will reach new all-time highs, and then I will scale up my long positions once again, because the next big resistance will then come in at the $70,000 level. Either way, guys, I will upload this video now as fast as possible, because it is a chart pattern on the 1 hourly time frame that could break out actually within the next 3 hours. So I want to upload this video as soon as possible. If you enjoyed, guys, smash up a like. Let's reach 3,000 likes. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, make a little bit of noise for the algorithm, because yesterday's video sadly didn't get ranked. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.